All right then, I finally made it to the bridges. I'm gonna go and look at that. This one right here, I believe it's called Pont Saint Pierre, I think. Bridge of Saint Pierre. The real historical one, it's called Bridge 9 or Pont Neuf, which is right that one over there. Still pretty awesome though. And then there's another bridge right there. I don't know if this video, my camera can really show it too well, but it's over there. Pretty cool. You know, another thing that you'll see in France, people by these canals, rivers, or whatever, people tend to eat in these little ways right here. It's pretty cool. You see guys dancing music here. Yes. But let's go check it out. I think they would call it like green space, well, in English, but that's what the French like their parks and stuff, where they can sit down. That's why you see a lot of benches everywhere. People sit down, conversate, have a snack, bread, cheese, wine, you choose. Let's see. Honestly, if it's not too hot tomorrow, I'm gonna camp out here. Seems pretty cool, but today's a nice day too. Yesterday was stupid hot. Stupid hot. Today's actually not too bad. It's like 80s. But yeah, keep watching around. This one's the famous one right here. So if you Google it, top places to go see is one of these. It's Pont Neuf. Pont Neuf. I'll have it in the video what it's called, whatever. Looks like a bridge. See, people just chilling. As you can see up front, there's people just relaxing by the sun, just taking the sun in up over here. I do the same, but I don't know about this belly. I don't know. I do not. Basically, I'm gonna go up to the bridge and just touch it. There's not really much else to it. It's a historical landmark. That's about all I know. I don't know the history to it, to be honest. But another green space up here. Just relaxing. French people really like, from what I've seen, they're a relaxed bunch. You know, at least parts of Spain that I've been to, you don't really see this in Spain. With a bunch of parks. They have parks, don't get me wrong, but like as many as France has, no, they don't have that. They just a bunch of people just relaxing by the sun. I mean, what more can you ask for? Really? Just a bunch of trash, stuffed animals, whatnot. Honestly, like I said, I don't know if this video really does this any justice, but it's like, it's a beautiful area, honestly. The weather, it could be a little cooler, not gonna lie, but it's not too bad, not too bad. Almost right there. Don't know what the reason is for that, but it's cool, nonetheless. know if you can see in this video, but there's a, I don't know what that is, a little devil? Who knows? I'm gonna touch the bridge. It's been touched. Look at this. See all that green space over there? Oof, man, I just might do that tomorrow. Honestly, that's exactly what I want to do tomorrow. Just get some food again, chill over there. Oh man, it looks so nice. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's get back up here. There's a bunch of construction going on up here. Let's try to get back to the bridge and walk along the bridge. Let's go this way. There's a bike. There's a fucked up bike. No, that's not a bike. El Dorado. Mexicano. Mexican food. I wonder if it's any good. I don't know if it's open. Yeah, it's probably open. Nah, I think it's more Spanish. I don't know. I don't know where I'm at. Nah, I'm just kidding. The bridge is up here. Alright, it's just straight ahead. Let's go. Wow. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Let me just touch. Oh yeah. That's what history feels like.